Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I am art antique restorer and artist. As you see, I have a green dragon in front of me and I'm busy just building the ices. Actually, this is the eyes would go here, the other side, what is not very simple, but this is a way to do the things. I already finished all this area on the top and I'm starting with the white marks like this and going step by step, opening just the next color of the chips one by one. That's no other way. Mosaic is well known with this. Well, I'm pretty happy with the colors of the stone I have and chipping that slowly in the shape. I hope will be soon much more to show you. Thank you very much for following me. Good luck with your projects. Thank you.